Hello, this is Dr. Dave. Welcome to our Making Turon video. Turon is not just a Filipino favorite, it's eaten all over the world. What gives me the expertise to explain making turon to you? That's easy. You see, my wife Lucy, a Filipina from Cebu, has enjoyed my making these for over 20 years. Lucy is the one behind the camera in this video. As you can see, the ingredients for making turon are very basic. And in this video, we're going to show you how to make this yummy treat. We start off with the egg roll wrappers. I have a package of 20 of them here. We use saba bananas. You could also substitute those with plantains. And we use jackfruit in this as well, which I slice into like 1-inch strips, and a little bit of brown sugar. About a cup and a half of light brown sugar. Have some jackfruits that I already cut into 1-inch strips. I bought them frozen. As you can see here, this is the top of the package. Bought them at the local Asian store. We have saba bananas, but you can also use plantains for this. And of course, I have a pack of 20 spring roll wrappers. That's 20 spring roll wrappers. And I put that cup and a half of sugar in a bowl back there. That's light brown sugar. And we're going to go on from here to make turon. What I'm doing here is I'm separating the egg roll wrappers from the package where they're stacked one on top of each other. And I'm laying it onto the cutting board so that you can see how I wrap them. Flip it over, pull it back, start the roll, flip it up, it looks like an envelope, roll it, wet the end to seal it. There's turon. Now we're going to try frying next. I'm not going to have you watch me fry all of these, but this is the finished product. This is what it looks like. My favorite way of eating them is with ube ice cream. As you can see here, the ube ice cream is with the turon. Here I go. Yummy, yummy. I'm giving it thumbs up. There you go. And hopefully you will give it thumbs up too. If you like this video, this is the first video I ever made, give me a subscribe to this and let us know that you like it. Leave a note in the comments. Here's the recipe again. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and visit our group, Filipino Food and Recipes AZ. And we also have a page called Dr. Dave's Filipino Scene. We hope to see you there. Again, remember to leave us a comment. Let us know what you think or how we can improve this for our next video. Thanks again. Lucy and I welcome you again to watching this, and we hope to see you soon.